Assalamualaikum. Hi, I'm MUHAMAD SALLEH. Today I will present about UHF radio control. This presentation is to fulfill the syllabus of requirement for electronic communication 1. This experiment kit consists of two parts, which is transmitter and a receiver. First of all, I will explain about the transmitter. 9-volt battery has been used for operate this circuit. LED represented as an indicator for show that the signal has been transmitted. The transmitter has no adjustable part for tuning the RF and AF frequency. RF is the radio wave generated by Q4 and AF is the tone square wave generated by IC1 and IC1D. Q4 is UHF, ultra high frequency. These frequencies are random due to the tolerance of component value, but the RF is expected to be around 300 MHz and AF is 1 until 2 kHz. The transmitter sends out radio wave of frequency around 300 MHz modulated by a low frequency tone generator. When the button on the transmitter is pressed, the miniature relay on the receiver will be activated and the LED is on. The relay will be de-energized and LED off when the button is released. For the next slide, I will discuss about the receiver schematic. In order for the receiver to respond correctly to the command of the transmitter, the following condition must be met. The receiver must be tuned to the same frequency as the transmitter carrier frequency. The frequency of the tone generated in the transmitter must fall within a frequency range set by the preset variable resistor of IC2. This is IC2 and NE567. If the signal received at pin 3, this is pin 3, fall within certain range of PLL oscilloscope frequency, output pin number 8. This is pin number 8. Drop low and energize the miniature relay and illuminated the LED. This is LED. PPL is for the represent phase lock loop. The first stage of the receiver unit is super regenerative AM receiver comprising Q1 and L2 and several other passive components. When it receives the signal from the transmitter, it extracts two tone component of the signal which appear at the junction of resistor R7 and R8. This is resistor for R7 and R8. This signal is much too weak to be of any use. The amplifier Q2, this is Q2, is therefore included to amplify the signal to a higher level of around 100 until 200 mV. This signal, which appear at the collector of transistor Q2, is then AC coupled by C7. This is C7 to the input of tone decoder IC2. This experiment has been recorded to show the result of UHF radio wave remote control. So this is my video.
This is UHF radio control experiment. The kit contains two parts, the transmitter and the receiver. The transmitter sends out radio wave of frequency around 300 MHz modulated by a low frequency tone generator. When this RF signal is received by the super regenerative AM receiver, a PLL tone decoder IC check for valid tone. If the tone match with the decoder IC, this is IC567 VCO frequency, a miniature relay is activated. When the button on the transmitter is pressed, this is button, the miniature relay on the receiver will be activated and the LED is on. The relay will be energized button is released. Let's try. So, in order for the receiver to respond correctly to the command of the transmitter, the following condition must be met. The receiver must be tuned to the same frequency as the transmitter. Carrier frequency. The frequency of the tone generated in the transmitter must fall within a frequency range set by the preset variable register of IC NE567.